how to fix Valorant uh, not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just open task manager, and then just you will find it like that. Now just close all the application that takes your memory, and if you want to see which applications takes a lot of your memory, just click on memory, and here we'll find it. Now right click on all the applications that you want to close and click in task. And now let's move to the next method. Type here device manager. Click on it, and then just go to display adapters, and right click on right click on your GPU and click update driver, and here click search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Just make sure to update your driver, and after that just restart your PC, and now just try to run Valorant as an administrator, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.